Creating a wooden DIY project can be an incredibly rewarding experience, allowing you to express your creativity while also producing functional and decorative items for your home. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner looking to explore the craft, there are countless projects you can undertake that range in complexity and style. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will explore various wooden DIY projects that you can create, the types of wood you might consider using, and how to choose styles that complement your home decor. So watch the video until the end to see our selection and get inspiration. Woodworking is not only a practical skill, but also an art form. Working with wood allows you to create unique pieces that reflect your personal style. Here are a few reasons why you might choose wooden DIY projects. Sustainability. Wood is a renewable resource, especially if sourced from sustainable forests. By creating your own pieces, you can reduce waste and promote eco-friendly practices. Customization. DIY projects allow you to customize size, shape, and finish. You can create pieces that fit perfectly in your space and match your decor. Skill development. Woodworking helps develop various skills, including measuring, cutting, sanding, and finishing. It can be a therapeutic and fulfilling hobby. Cost-effective. Making your own furniture or decor can often be more affordable than purchasing ready-made items, especially if you use reclaimed or leftover materials. Personal touch. Handmade items carry a personal touch that store-bought products often lack. They can also make great gifts for friends and family. Types of wood for DIY projects. When embarking on a woodworking project, selecting the right type of wood is crucial. Different types of wood have unique characteristics, appearances, and uses. Here are some popular options. Pine, a softwood that is readily available and affordable. Pine is easy to work with, making it ideal for beginners. It can be stained or painted to achieve various looks. Oak, a durable hardwood known for its strength and beautiful grain patterns. Oak is perfect for furniture projects, but requires more advanced skills due to its density. Maple, another hardwood that offers a fine, consistent grain. Maple is often used for cabinetry and furniture due to its durability and resistance to wear. Cedar, known for its aromatic qualities and natural resistance to decay, cedar is often used for outdoor projects. It has a beautiful reddish hue that adds warmth to any piece. Birch, a versatile hardwood with a light color and smooth texture. Birch is excellent for creating furniture and decorative items due to its workability. Plywood, made from thin layers of wood veneer glued together, plywood is strong and cost-effective. It's often used in furniture making and cabinetry. Choosing styles for your home decor. When planning your DIY wooden projects, consider the existing decor in your home. Here are some popular styles to inspire your creations. Rustic, characterized by natural materials and a weathered look, rustic decor often features reclaimed wood, distressed finishes, and earthy tones. Projects like barn doors, farmhouse tables, or wooden signs fit this style perfectly. Modern, clean lines and minimalism define modern decor. Consider creating geometric shelves, sleek coffee tables, or minimalist wall art using smooth finishes and light woods. Industrial, this style combines raw materials with vintage elements. Think about making furniture with metal accents or using reclaimed wood with a rough finish to create an urban feel. Scandinavian, emphasizing simplicity and functionality, Scandinavian design often features light woods and neutral colors. Projects like simple benches or stylish storage solutions would complement this aesthetic. Traditional, classic designs with intricate details characterize traditional decor. Consider building ornate picture frames, detailed cabinetry, or elegant dining tables. Bohemian, this eclectic style embraces color and pattern. You could create colorful wooden wall hangings, unique plant stands, or decorative boxes adorned with carvings or paint. Finishing touches. Once you've completed your woodworking projects, consider adding finishing touches such as sealing. Use polyurethane or another sealant to protect your pieces from moisture and wear. Hardware, adding decorative knobs, handles, or hinges can enhance functionality and aesthetics. Textiles, incorporate cushions or throws on benches and chairs for added comfort and style. Lighting, use lamps or string lights around your wooden pieces to create ambience in your space. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Share us your thoughts in the comments section and also smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video of furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and stylish option preferences. Tell us what you want to explore further in this channel on our next video of the furniture design and decor ideas. For your specific needs to transform your space and create an interesting experience in your furniture pieces. Selling your wooden creations. If you're considering selling your wooden DIY projects, here are some tips. Market research, understand what types of wooden items are in demand in your area or online marketplaces. Quality control, ensure that all pieces are well crafted, sanded, and finished before selling. Photography, take high-quality photos of your items in well-lit settings to attract potential buyers online. Online platforms, consider selling through platforms like Etsy, eBay, or local marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace. Craft fairs and markets, participate in local craft fairs to showcase your work directly to customers. Social media promotion, utilize social media platforms to showcase your projects and engage with potential customers. Project ideas for your wooden DIY journey. Example for specific project ideas that you can create for your home. Wooden shelves. Description, floating shelves are a great way to display books, plants, or decorative items while saving floor space. Rustic coffee table. Description, a coffee table made from reclaimed wood adds character to your living room. Plant stand. Description, create a stylish plant stand that adds greenery to your home while being a decorative piece itself. Picture frames. Description, handmade picture frames allow you to personalize your art display. Wooden signs. Description, create custom wooden signs with quotes or family names for decoration. Storage bench. Description, a storage bench serves both as seating and storage space in entryways or mudrooms. Wooden DIY projects offer endless possibilities for creativity while enhancing your home decor with unique, personalized items. By selecting suitable materials, considering various styles, and undertaking thoughtful projects, you can create beautiful pieces that reflect your personality and serve practical purposes in your home. Whether you choose to keep these creations for yourself or sell them for profit, woodworking can be a fulfilling hobby that brings joy not only to yourself, but also to those who appreciate handmade craftsmanship. So gather your tools, select your wood, and start crafting today. Dear viewers, there you have them. Do you like today's content? If you do, please tell us what you like about them. Share us your thoughts in the comments section. And please consider subscribing the channel if you haven't already. And like and share this video to your friends and family so that it could reach wider audience. We will show you furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and enjoy uniquely transform your living spaces or office. Thank you for watching the video until the end. See you in